Welcome to part 3 of this series of tutorials on generating searchable keywords and using subject headings and subject terms. Let's begin with a keyword search in the AU Library Catalog using some of the keywords we came up with in part 2. Remember, the Library Catalog only searches items in a library's own collection. You can find books, e-books, DVDs, CDs, and other physical items in a library catalog. You will not find journal articles through a catalog search. To find these, you must carry out a search within a database or by using a meta search engine. You can search an AU Libraries catalog by clicking on Additional Resources above the search bar on the home page. Then, click on Library Catalog. From the drop-down menu, select Keyword. It's a good idea to start with a broader search, that is, a search using fewer keywords in the library catalog, as you will see that catalogs contain many fewer items than do journal article databases. Let's do a simple search for video games and children. Let's take a look at the first results. There are 35 items in the catalog that have these keywords associated with them. When we open the first record, you can see that the words video games and children are located in many parts of the record, including in the title and the description, as well as in the subject headings. You will notice that the subject part of the record includes the heading Video Games and Children. This means that only books that are specifically about video games and children will be described with this heading. You can carry out a subject search using this heading, or can simply click on the hyperlink to view records of other items that have also been described with this heading. Any items that appeared in our keyword search results that are not specifically about video games and children have been removed from the results list. For example, this item is about educational games, but not specifically about video games and children. The keywords we have used show up in the record as part of the item's table of contents, but not in the subject headings. This item is not included in our subject heading search, as our subject heading search only includes items that are specifically about video games and children and not educational games in general. Subject heading searches are a very simple and powerful means of finding items that are specifically related to your research topic. In the next video, I'll demonstrate examples of keyword and subject searches in databases.